Hello and good day, everyone. Today we're going to talk about my family. First, how many people are there in your family? There are three, four, five people in my family. For example, there are four people in my family. Second, tell me about the members in your family. In my family, there are my father is a teacher, doctor, farmer. My mother is a nurse, worker, housewife. I have a brother, sister. He or she is a student. And me, I am a student. For example, in my family, there are four people. My father is a teacher. My mother is a nurse. I have a younger sister. And me, I am a student. Third, what does your father do? My father is a teacher, driver, engineer. For example, my father is an engineer. Fourth, what does your mother do? My mother is a teacher, nurse, worker. For example, my mother is a nurse. Fifth, do you have any brothers or sisters? Yes, I do. I have one brother, two sisters. No, I don't. I am the only child. For example, yes, I do. I have one younger brother. Sixth, who do you love most in your family? Why? I love my mother, father, sister most because, for example, I love my mother most because she always takes care of me. 7. What do you usually do with your family in the evening? In the evening, we usually have dinner, watch TV, talk, play games. For example, in the evening, we usually have dinner and watch TV together. 8. What do you do with your family at the weekend? At the weekend, we usually go shopping, visit grandparents, travel, have a picnic. For example, at the weekend, we usually visit our grandparents. Last one. Who do you love your family? Oops. Why do you love your family? I love my family because they always take care of me and make me happy. So that is all about my family. Thank you.